In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable CFD trading on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you can access your dashboard without any issues. Once you're inside, you'll be able to check whether your account is ready for CFD trading. Next, complete your account verification if you haven't already done that. This step is important because eToro typically requires verified accounts before giving access to more advanced trading features. Verification may include confirming your identity and other required account details, so it's a good idea to make sure everything is fully approved before moving forward. After that, check whether CFD trading is available in your country or region. This is a key step because CFDs are regulated differently depending on where you live. In some places, CFD trading may be fully available, while in others, it may be limited or not offered at all. If the feature isn't supported in your region, you won't be able to enable it through the platform. You may also be asked to complete an investment experience and suitability questionnaire. If eToro prompts you to do this, take your time and answer carefully. This questionnaire helps the platform determine whether CFD trading is appropriate for your level of experience and understanding. Since CFDs involve leverage and higher risk, this assessment is often required before access is granted. Once that's done, deposit funds into your account. You'll need available balance in order to place a trade, so make sure your account is funded and ready to use before testing whether CFD trading is enabled. Now search for an asset that supports CFD trading. This could include an eligible stock, ETF, forex pair, index, commodity, or cryptocurrency. Not every asset will behave the same way, so it's helpful to choose one that clearly supports CFD functionality on the platform. When you find the asset you want, click Trade to open the order window. This is where you'll see the available trade settings for that instrument. If your account is eligible, choose a leverage option such as X2 or higher, or open an eligible sell position. On eToro, these are the signs that your trade is being opened as a CFD instead of purchasing the real underlying asset. If leverage and sell options do not appear, that usually means CFD trading is not enabled for your account or it's restricted in your region. In that case, you'll only be able to trade the real underlying asset when that option is available. Thanks for watching.